The clouds have me shrouded in gray, but I'm still out pounding the pavement. Drowning the hurt, my panoramas and brown paper.
Boys, I met you at the bus stop. We had nothing but a cup shop. We had two toys, the sky on the hilltops. Now we're all grown up and it's still about hip-hop. I love it, I love it.
Ever missed a great picture because your phone just wasn't ready or your hands are full? You know what he just did? He just took a panoramic picture of the beach. Super easy, right? That's because he's using a BeyondCam, the world's first removable 360 degrees panoramic camera with a battery that lasts 4 days on a single charge. It's lightweight, splash-proof watch that you can wear as a watch all day long. Clamp on your bicycle or clip on your bag. You can wear it just about anywhere.
We live in a world of wonders, from a baby's first step to love at first sight. Life is full of fleeting surprises. We want to be able to capture that moment, wherever, whenever, first time, and always for real. Moments that matters are moments to share. With BeyondCam, wear it, see it, share it. Take 360-degree photos and videos on the fly. Upload them anywhere in a snap. And because it's always on and always on you, you won't miss a moment that matters. Keep looking, keep living.
BeyondCam will make sure you capture it all. BeyondCam is always ready, always on to take a photo or video instantly wherever and whenever you are. You can share the results with everyone else on social media through BeyondCam app. And you can view 360-degree images or videos using BeyondCam app. As you can see, this is how you wear BeyondCam on your wrist. A new way of taking photos and video. You can control using your smartphone or capture using the camera itself. With only 3 buttons, on-off button, image capture button, and video taking button on the camera, you can use it at ease.
Please support us on Indiegogo. We are ready for production. All we need is your support.
Hey guys! We're here at the Tastemade studio.
And we're doing Facebook Live!
Yeah, with this cool new camera called the Nevo.
So, first step with the sushi, I want to take you down here. I've got some prepared soba noodles. Now they've been drained and cooled. I'm going to add in a little bit of rice wine vinegar.
Soba noodles, 2 ways.
Yum! There you go, folks. So we get a chance to make this at home.
We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives.
To use Hover Camera is very simple.
Power it on,
Flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically.
With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual SLAM from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
But in order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor.
This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch hover camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program.
We have about 80+ people now and a very diverse background.
We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
One.